Alright, what's up y'all? So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different from trucking because of course I don't want my channel to be only about that because that's boring. So anyway, I'm going to be working on my car. So my window has been out for a while now. So today I'm definitely going to fix that. So I don't know if it's the window switch or the window motor, but I bought both of them just in case. I literally order everything from carparts.com, and I'm almost sure I ordered all the right parts. So this right here is the window motor. I mean the window switch that I bought. Hopefully this is the right window motor. And this was a refurbished one. Let's get started. So the first time I did this, I actually ordered the wrong motor and I had to send it back. And I've been waiting since. So first thing you want to do is tape your window. This is like paint tape. You might want to get like a wider one. I literally just used this like last time I was like painting my apartment. I'm gonna take the window first so it won't fall, because when you take the screws out, the regulator is gonna fall and the window's gonna fall with it. So tape the window. What I want to do first is make sure this window switch actually works. So you can get this door prior, I forget what this thing is called, but I got this from AutoZone, I think. You take your door prior and you literally just literally just pry it open. Go. Set that down, and this, just pop it on that. Okay, so after you pop everything out, you literally just pull your wires out. Now we're gonna see if the new one works, which it should. It's like brand new. So, back in here. And then forget one other screw. It's one right in here. So I just thought about that. So take this. Like that. It comes right on out. Now the door should come off. Also, I want to show y'all the wire is connected, so you have to take those off too, and that down there, the little light, the door light, whatever. So this one, and this one are the screws to the window regulator. So you have to take all the screws out, because the screws to this, the window motor, are on the other side of this panel. Alright, don't worry about the blue tape. Like I said, I took this, I tried to replace this before, and there were like these black coverings on there, so I just put tape over it, so it'll just keep the hole closed. Now just take the screws off. This is a 10 millimeter Well, y'all can't see that. But yeah, it's a 10 millimeter, whatever y'all call it. So now that you got your I guess your door panel or whatever off, this is your window motor. You're gonna need a 8 millimeter. Let me see if we get in it. One of these things, not a 10, an 8. Turn the car on. Now it should spin. You see that? It works. Last things I have to do, I have to take this cover off. I have to take the mirror adjuster off and put it on the new window switch, and I'll be done. So I hope y'all learned something from this video. If you have a car that you need to work on, I hope this helped out somewhat if you have the same type of car. So thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all next time.